Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing 15-16 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey box for Brandon. Second box of a case. Do I remember the odds? There's like about 1.5 or 1.4 of each Young Gun per case. There's 50 Young Guns, 6 per box. That'd be 72 per case. Yeah. A little under 1.5. So you guys who are into hockey, how do the hockey rookies look for this year? Similar to last year, a couple good ones. I don't think it's like a 15-16 class. But I certainly don't follow as closely as probably several of you guys do. Brandon, good luck. Here we go. Young Gun canvas. Oh, I believe that one's decent, isn't it? Larkin. Or at least I know it was good that year.
I think he's still decent.
Corey Crawford portrait. Jared McCann, Young Guns. Devontae Smith-Pelly canvas. Sam Bennett for the Flames. Guy Lafleur portrait. Patrice Bergeron. Ryan Nugent Hopkins Shining Stars. Matt O'Connor. Jake Allen. Dylan Larkin Young Gun. Tuukka Rask. Matt Sundin. Lindholm Canvas. Anton Slepshayev for the Oilers. Robbie Fabry. Jonathan Bernier, game jersey. Brandon, thank you very much. Sorry I didn't hit a McDavid for you. Let me know if you want any more. There are 10 left. And if not, I'll get those out to you today.